Loop is a patented and unique one-time use tool for measuring metal quality, which gives the foundries increased process control. Loop is made out of silicate wool, which is a good choice for both the environment and your health. Before you start to use loop, make sure you have access to a flat, fireproof and temperature-stable ground to acquire the best possible result. Also, make sure to have a thermometer with 2 separate thermocouples available for temperature reading. Loop is delivered in 3 parts. To begin, you put the bottom plate on the workstation's ground. Thereafter, you mount the stopper into the bottom plate and on top you mount the filler. Make sure that the filler is centered around the stopper and that the stopper is sealed tight to the plate. In the next step, you retrieve the metal from the furnace. Read the temperature of the metal with one of the thermocouples to make sure that the metal has reached the desired temperature. Note that if the metal stands still for too long, impurities sediments in the filler and the test will not be representative. After reaching the desired temperature, you pour the liquid metal into the filler up to the marking. When the temperature has dropped to the required temperature, you pull the stopper and the metal fills the spiral. Less than 30 seconds later, you will be able to read off the sample. Pull the thermocouple out of the filler before the metal solidifies. Then pull aside the used loop and prepare for the next test. An increased process control by the usage of loop allows for great savings through reduced waste. Let Bryne sharpen you.